The mountains and the ocean are truly a beautiful sight. They inspire us to feel ourselves and be exactly what we sense we are. In this place of no judgment, we let our hearts dance. So, then, stop and listen to what I just said again. In this place of no judgment, we let our hearts dance. That exact sentence gives us a clue of what we might want to consider feeling a little more often. The no judgment in those words free us from the perception we have imposed on ourselves. So breathe, relax a little more, and focus farther on your sense of spirit. You will find that many of those heavy little thoughts will place themselves in the unimportant section of your mind. Learn to be happy, practice peace, and dance in your room a little more often.